विमेंस डे ऐसा किसी ने बोल दिया तो आपके दिमाग में क्या आता है?
Women are some of the most underappreciated.
Every day is a women's day.
Women stand for so many things.
कभी लगता है बचपन में वापस जाएं.
Wow, what do you mean like पूरा टाइम मस्ती करते रहते? लाइफ का पूरा पॉइंट ही है मस्ती करना.
Gossip my day away.
सोऊंगी आराम से, अपना मस्ती मारेंगे उस दिन सारा दिन.
Just love.
Does not mean कि अब औरत की शादी हो गई है तो she's just automatically signed a no fun agreement.
शादी के बाद जो मजे हैं, I just love being married.
Women stand for so many things.
So we are here to talk about Women's Day, women in general, and just your life and you yourself. So I think we'll just start with a quick round of introduction.
Hi, I'm Rajni. I'm a crafter, but not profession. Like I love to do craft.
Hi, I'm Gunjan Agarwal. I am the founder of a skincare brand, Sis.
Hi, I'm Radhika Agarwal, aka Rad. I'm a student in first year of college and I'm a singer.
Hi, I'm Namrata Sarda. I am a risk management consultant and I've been in the financial industry for the last almost 2 decades now.
So I just want to ask you that what comes to your mind when you say Women's Day? Women's Day ऐसा किसी ने बोल दिया तो आपके दिमाग में क्या आता है?
नहीं, बेसिकली मैं सोचती हूँ कि एक दिन वुमेन्स डे बोलना तो अनफेयर है. मन को तो यू शुड सेलिब्रेट एवरी डे, क्योंकि वो पूरा घर सबको वही एक खड़ा करती है. तो मेरे ख्याल से एवरी डे इज अ वुमेन्स डे.
Women stand for so many things. Like they're just not homemakers or business women.
So according to me, we always say this, people often say this कि अरे we should celebrate our women every day. But although I wish I knew the exact history, I don't know who created Women's Day. But I think जो भी इंसान था वो जानता था कि women are underappreciated. Like every day we'll take it for granted and एकदम से Mother's Day आता है, Women's Day आता है, oh mummy, I love you, Yeah, I feel like it's a great day. We should celebrate our women.
We are all encompassing and every day is to be celebrated for women because we are actually integral part of each and every member of not just our household but the entire society.
Imagine that you have 24 hours and उस 24 hours में you get a chance to swap your life with any woman in your life. Who would that be and why?
I'd probably swap my life with a niece of mine who's 11-12 years old because I really have a lot of fun looking at them and the way they are having fun, and each time I look at them and I want to get back to those lovely days where we're so carefree and running around all the time pleading our mom, ye de do, wo de do.
This point in time, I have such amazing friends, and if I swap my life for a day, I probably won't have them as friends. So I'm very happy in that circle that I have right now. And
एक चीज मेरे दिमाग में कभी कभी चलती है, जैसे मेरी शादी बहुत जल्दी हो गई थी, तो वो जो शादी के पहले का जो समय, उस समय कुछ कुछ चीजें करनी रह गई थी, वो जो लेटर ऑन हम नहीं कर सके या नहीं कर पा रहे, जो भी रीजन है, तो वो रह गया है. तो कभी लगता है बचपन में वापस जाएं.
Like to go swap with your own childhood.
Yeah.
I would love to see the lives of women who, like हमारे घर पे जो काम करने आते हैं. I think that those women are some of the most underappreciated. I would love to swap with Lakshmi auntie. She's our house help. And I always look at her and think even she has been through so much hardship. She was also married off really early, as happens with, women from certain economic backgrounds, unfortunately. But she's so good at heart.
What is fun for you? अगर आपको let's say कि एक दिन मिल जाए where there are no strings attached, like you don't have any work, you don't have any family to look, like nothing, it's just you and the world. What would you like to do in that day? what will you do for that day?
मेरे साथ तो मेरा हस्बैंड है ना. वो सबसे पहले उठो. जब वो कहीं बाहर गए हो या मैं कहीं कभी अकेले घर में हूँ, तो मैं सुबह जल्दी नहीं उठूंगी. मैं वो सबसे लेजरली उठूंगी, लेजरली चाय पीऊंगी, अपनी इस दुनिया में रहूंगी. और कोई रहता ना, नाश्ता दो, खाना दो, ये सब नहीं चाहिए. सोऊंगी आराम से, अपना मस्ती मारेंगे उस दिन सारा दिन.
but for me, a fun day would be to just sit with my gals and just gossip my day away and over chai, nashta, and no one telling us कि घर आ जाओ, बहुत देरी हो गई है, या ये काम है या वो काम है. Just sit and chat and make plans which we are eventually not going to fulfill, but make them anyways.
What you described, it's my everyday life. I am after all the youngest in the family. मेरे पास नहीं है कोई responsibility. I remember I had seen something on Instagram where this woman is going कि अरे why do people keep telling women all the time तुम तो कुछ करते ही नहीं हो, you're not doing this, you're not doing that. She's like, wow, what do you mean like पूरा टाइम मस्ती करते रहते? लाइफ का पूरा पॉइंट ही है मस्ती करना. So I totally agree with that.
Fun for me is, yes, spending a maximum time with the people I have a great time with. So yes, just love, love, love spending time with them, talking to them.
I think one very interesting thing to observe here is that how these answers are changing according to the age and generation. Like we just teased Radhika, like let's see what happens when you get in-laws.
Things didn't really change that much when I got married. So I was way open minded and, outgoing then. Things were in my in law's house. But they adapted to that change. Ki, oh, someone new has come in our house and this is what she's brought on the table. So it wasn't just like ki, I became conservative or narrow minded when I got married. In fact, they adapted so many things as per my liking or what I was showing them.
When you join a family, each one of us, we kind of, it's like an osmosis, you adapt, they adapt, and that's how you go forward.
That is actually my point. So when you say, okay, if I'm ever like, I'm married, I have in-laws, then why is that construct there ki, oh, tumhari to, matlab, you'll to stop having fun. That is the exact point. That is what we don't want for our women. Does not mean कि अब औरत की शादी हो गई है तो she's just automatically signed a no fun agreement. Like, I don't think we should want that for ourselves. I don't think anybody else should want that for us. What is marriage? It is just, it's commitment between two people. Why is it is a lot more, but my way of saying it was, why do we treat it as a ab to tumhari zindagi change ho jayegi wala thing? It's a celebration of love, right? So it shouldn't have to change so much about who you are as a person, and you shouldn't be forced to change what matters in life to you. But coming to what other question, my fun day would include listening to music, lots of music, just going and frolicking around the city with my friends and hopping places. If I just didn't think for one day and I just had the entire day, सुबह के 6 बजे से रात के 12 बजे, I'm just doing whatever, I would do that. I would just go around, I would experience the city, as I'd like to say.
So, Radhika just said that we just assume that shadi ke baad things change. But I think there's another assumption that you had where you assumed ki shadi ke baad things will go on a downhill. I would say shadi ke baad jo maze hain, I just love being married because it's so much fun. You joining a new family, new people. It's so beautiful to be in love and it's so beautiful to celebrate love.
That's exactly my point. ऐसे ही होना चाहिए. I feel like वो लोगों पे force किया जाता है थोड़ा सा कि अब शादी हो गई है, अब ये no. Like why? Literally, what is the point? And I also feel like whatever family you're joining, if they don't share this mentality, then कहीं ना कहीं तो आपको लगेगा ना कि you're being put in a constraint. तो कुछ लोग होते हैं, they're not able to fight outside of that constraint. At the end of the day, you have free will. You can do whatever you want. But like especially when a woman, उनको लगता है अब तो घर का काम, ये करना वो करना is the only thing I'm allowed to do. Like don't put that constraint on yourself. You have a long life to live, and just make sure, like what she said, like have fun every single day. You don't have to care what anyone else thinks.
जब मेरी शादी हुई थी तो मुझे हर समय साड़ी पहनना है, सिर पे पल्लू लेना है, एंड इट वाज वेरी डिफिकल्ट फॉर मी. पर जब सब कर रहे हैं तो मैं भी कर रही हूँ, लेकिन विद टाइम स्लोली, मतलब इन लॉज आज के दिन वो इमेजिन नहीं कर सकते थे कि उनकी बहू ऐसे कपड़े पहन के बैठी है.
मेरे भी नहीं कर सकते थे, बहुत जल्दी चेंज हो गए.
हाँ, तो वो सब समय के साथ अब चेंज हो रहा है. आज सास है कौन बहू है डिफ्रेंशिएट नहीं कर सकते. अगर आप किसी के भी फैमिली में जाओ तो ये समय का चेंज है, आगे और भी चेंज होगा.
I would just like to add though, and this can be the last thing we say about this topic, there are still a lot of parts of this country that follow very much into the in fact it's worse than you can imagine. There are still female children being killed. Somewhere there is a woman being forced. Parda system. It's bad at the same time. I mean, we are lucky for sure that we are in progressive families and progressive times. So when we talk about this, ki don't let anyone tell you what to do. Think for yourself. Also trying to bring this message to the people जिनके life में अभी तक वो नहीं हो पाया है, who are still living in the constraints of, like I said, society and what people think they should do. Let's celebrate the fact that we can be who we want, and also keep our fellow females in mind who haven't been able to reach that point. And I hope that one day every woman is able to be as free as we are able to.
Yeah, it's actually very, very true. And I feel that it really does not depend on your economic background or from where you come from. I have seen shitty people in the richest of the families, in the most educated families. I have seen people who are still following a certain constraint, and I have seen the most progressive people in very modest background as well. So it really depends on who you are as a person. I guess let's move ahead to the next topic. topic. This was a very hot topic. Everyone had a lot to say, which is great. So, what is it about you कि आपको लगता है कि ये बात किसी ने समझी ही नहीं कभी मेरी लाइफ कि there's been this thing in me that only I know and no one, even my like parents or my daughters or like whoever is in your life, no one is able to understand that one part of you.
मुझे तो ऐसा नहीं लगता है क्योंकि टीना फॉर मी शी इज मे बी गुंजन फॉर यू ऑल। छोटी थी तब बात अलग है, नाउ शी इज ग्रोन अप विथ हर ओन बिजनेस एंड ऑल दैट। बहुत समझदार है तो बोलने के पहले ही सब समझ जाती है। एंड सेम विथ माय हस्बैंड।
I think for a long time, my dad had no clue that I am creative. Just before marriage, I was teacher in a pre-primary school and I was a craft teacher. So one day I brought home a lot of work because there was an event the next day and I had to prepare some things. And like, you made these? You can make all this? Nika, yes, Papa. He's like, wow. And that time I realized, he doesn't know that big thing about me that I'm so creative. So
My opinion on this is that, I always say this. We as human beings are meant to be multi-talented and knowledgeable about so many different topics. ऐसा कभी हो नहीं सकता कि कोई इंसान आपको कभी भी पूरा समझे. And I feel like nobody will ever fully know you. Like there will be a million things you will not know about me. I will not know about you. But that's the point. We don't need to know everything about each other. And that's why life stays interesting till the end. You find out more. You learn more, right?
She rightly said it. और मैं इतनी बड़ी भुलक्कड़ हूँ कि मुझे खुद को भी याद नहीं होगा।
Okay, so now let's talk a bit about skincare. First of all, do you use these products? Which product you like? And not just this, about skincare in general. Like what is your idea of skincare? आप क्या skincare करते हो? आप कब से skincare करते हो? आप करते हो तो why do you do it? What's your purpose of doing it? Or if you don't do, like whatever your thoughts on skincare are, I would like to know that.
तो उस जमाने में उतना स्किन केयर का हम लोगों को तो नॉलेज नहीं था। लाइक कि भाई नाइट क्रीम, ये क्रीम, वो क्रीम, एक कोई मॉइस्चराइजर लगा लिया या कुछ भी लगा लिया। दिवाली के समय एक बार वो उपटन लगा लिया, दैट वाज ऑल। लेकिन थोड़े बड़े हुए तो थोड़ा कुछ कुछ समझ में आया। फिर भी आई वाज नॉट वेरी रेगुलर ऑन एनीथिंग कि भाई स्किन केयर माने ये चीजें यूज करनी है। इट वाज नॉट लाइक दैट। तो अब आया है कि मेकअप भी रिमूव करके सोना है, ये करके सोना है, वो करके सोना है। अब मैं थोड़ा जब से जिस्ट यूज करने लगी हूँ तो आई डू, मतलब सुबह ये डे क्रीम, रात में कोशिश रहती है नाइट क्रीम लगाना, अंडर आई। और अभी नया जो आप लोग का प्रोडक्ट आया था सनस्क्रीन, वो मैंने रेगुलरली यूज किया ड्यूरिंग विंटर क्योंकि मुझे गर्मी बहुत लगती है। तो अब समर में जहाँ तक है सब बंद हो जाता है मेरे लिए। फ्रेंड्स या जो भी मिलते हैं पूछते हैं क्या आप क्या कर रहे हो, आप अपने एज के लगते नहीं हो। मैंने कहा नहीं, सब लगते हैं अपने एज के, ऐसी बात नहीं है। बट आई यूज दिस प्रोडक्ट डेफिनेटली Zest is a great product, no doubt about it.
I was really young when Zest started out. People always say that when you're super young, there's no point of putting a lot of skincare on you. But I did start using it very early because मुझे मजा आता था. Using like the foam face wash, like that brush feels so good. And I would say I'm someone who has actually used all the products. The only products I've ever stayed away from are like the under eye stuff and all because again, young, don't need it. Ab to shayad maybe I can think about it. But yeah, I feel like skincare की जो requirements बदली है with time. Back when Nani was young, for example, I think that what we used to put in our bodies, the quality of food and everything was so different कि शायद तब लोगों को same problems नहीं होती होगी. Like people often tie skincare, like your skin not being healthy to like the food you put in your body, especially the water you put in your body. So I think that because things have changed in quality so much over time, शायद we are just now people are born different and they are more prone to certain kind of issues. Also it could be that back then भी लोगों को acne definitely होता था, but we are a little bit of a stereotype कि oh acne bad, it makes you look bad. So I think that we just overlooked those people and now we like being different. I wouldn't even call it an issue really. Acne is like, in my opinion, it's the most normal thing ever. I think that that's my opinion on why skincare is needed more now, and at the end of the day it's science, right? So if it might help you, might as well put it. Like कुछ लोग ये भी सोच के नहीं लगाते हैं कि chemicals हैं and all that, but like they're meant for your skin. So I think that's a little different. I get it completely that people who have not seen skincare when they were young will think it's just it doesn't do anything, but I think that with time things change and our requirements change of what we need. So yeah, and as for products, I love the sunscreen. I love using it. It's like a moisturizer, to be honest, but it does the job. I love how my skin looks after putting it on, which I think is what matters. I can say that for me and my sister both, that we've grown up with having healthier skin because of the brand. So yeah, that's definitely true.
So skincare for me, while growing up, like she said, my former years, I would only do my regular regular wash. I mean, when it was very, very dry during winters, then either apply some coconut oil or ghee. That was all. So that had been my skincare regime. After that, once I was in my 20s or probably 30s, that's when I ensured that I was wearing sunscreen every day, and I would use a makeup remover to remove my makeup. A lot of times I would still go ahead with a face wash to remove it, and then apply some cream or malai and sleep at night. And then lately, over the last, I think 5-6 years, I've started using Zist, and I've been very happy with it. I've been using the Zist sunscreen for the last 6-8 months, and before that I was using the daily cream, the morning white cream, and I've also been using the under eye cream, and I have used the face wash, and I've been very happy with all the products. I really, really like the face creams because they're very, very light on the skin. Like, it just doesn't feel like you've applied anything, because earlier I was using a brand which would give that white patch on the skin. With Zist, that doesn't happen. It works very good for my son also, because he's a sports person and I have to make him wear sunscreen every day, and the first question he asks me is, मेरा मुंह white तो नहीं हो जाएगा ना mama, just make me wear something that wouldn't do that. So yeah, Zist has really, really helped that ways.
It was great listening to everyone share their Zest stories, and I'm so honored, and I hope that we keep growing because products are definitely A1 and safe for your skin. So
That's really amazing. It's so great that you guys are here, lovely ladies, just sitting and chatting. I'm sure that you have a lot to talk more about these topics. I have a lot to talk. I wish we could just keep talking about these things, but unfortunately, we have a time restrictions and a charge restriction. So we'll have to wrap this up. But thank you so much for being here, and happy Women's Day to everyone.